Hello all, here I am again. As you can see, my desktop is not really that clean as it normally is. Normally it's just a very neat thing, but at the moment a lot of stuff is open. I'm working very hard, and it's getting really unorganized, it's not very fun. So I'm going to talk to you about the Aero interface of Windows 10. For example, if you want to show, you can maximize Windows, but if you want to see two things at the same time and you don't have multiple monitors, you can just drag it to the right or the left or the top or the bottom and then let go, and you can choose another thing to see right beside it. So that's very handy. You can work on the two things at the same time, and you can just unattach it and it goes back to its original size. But also, and that's a pretty neat trick I think, you can just grab a window and shake it and up. Now everything else is shaken away, it's no problem. And if you grab it and shake it again, everything is right back. So that's called the Windows Aero shake. And it's a very small, neat little trick, but sometimes if you say, I need something on my desktop, okay, I want to do the Windows update, very nice, okay, I'm gonna continue, and everything is right back. So I thought that was a tip worth sharing. It's a very small one, but it can come in handy. So I hope you like this tip. If you do, and you want to see some more, please consider subscribing to the channel. I told you this before, but it really helps to reach the 1000 subscriber milestone. In the meantime, have a nice day, and be sure to tune back in because there will be a lot more instructional videos. Okay? Goodbye.